In this video, I'm going to tell you everything we know about the iPhone 12 so far. Wait, before continuing, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. It's just like this red button below this video. It's completely free and helps support this channel. Right, let's get into the video. One of the biggest things that they were talking about is that the iPhone 12 will now support 5G. This is a really cool addition and will help to make the phone a lot faster with data. Not just that, the iPhone 12 mini was confirmed and that also has 5G as well as the Pro models that the iPhone 12 has. Instead of having a normal glass, what they've added is a ceramic shield glass. This will give the phone 4 times better drop performance, which is really good for durability. So soon we won't even have to have cases with our phones. Another small addition was the MagSafe. This is basically where you can just simply attach magnetic items to the back of the phone, like a wallet for example, case, or even a charger. The phone's got a Super Retina XDR display as well as HDR Dolby Vision. The cameras now support a lot better in low light conditions, which is really good for taking photos at night. They've also added the LiDAR scanner, which is also on the iPad Pro, which is basically improved AI as it sends light signals so that you can get better AR performance on your phone. Just like the rumor said, all that's in the box is going to be just the cable. However, it's not going to be the USB 3 to Lightning. Instead, it's going to be a USB-C to Lightning cable. And that's all they're going to have in the box, and of course the phone, and that's it. You might be wondering what are the colors. They've got white, black, blue, which is one of my personal favorites, green, and the obvious product red. One thing you might be wondering, is the iPhone 12 mini going to have less features than the iPhone 12? Well, the answer is no. The iPhone 12 mini just has the same features and all the same specs, apart from that it has 2 hours less battery on video playback. The regular iPhone can do up to 17 hours of video playback, whereas the iPhone 12 mini can do only 15. Which is still really great for battery life, but obviously the iPhone 12 mini has 2 hours less. Well, what are the prices? Well, the iPhone 12 starts at £799, whereas the iPhone 12 mini starts at £699. These are great prices in my opinion for all the features that you get on this phone. When can you order the phones? Very soon. The iPhone 12 mini you can order on the 6th of November. And with the regular iPhone 12, you can order on the 16th of October, which is a lot sooner. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any other videos that I upload. For example, next week I'll be uploading a video on whether you should get the iPhone 12 Pro or the regular iPhone.